how can I get Siri to correctly pronounce certain names or words? And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to find the contacts icon and tap on it. Select the person in your contacts, tap edit in the top right corner, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and under the notes section, you'll see a field that says add field. You're going to select pronunciation first name or pronunciation last name. After that, you're going to tap the pronunciation field. You're going to spell out the name phonetically, so basically how it sounds. So for this example, the name is pronounced Key, so K-E-Y, and then my last name Vaughn, so V-A-U-G-H-N. So you're going to spell it out phonetically like that. And once you're done, you're going to press done in the top right corner, and then you're finished. Hey Siri, say my name.
You're asking me, Kevon?
And there you have it. I hope this helps you out, and thanks for joining us. I'm Kevon Morrow, and you just asked an expert. Oh my gosh, one sec.